Do you want to know how you can generate art in Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can generate art using Starry AI. Go ahead and open starryai.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click create, which you can see on the top right hand side, and then click art. You can generate artwork with a wide range of artistic styles to choose from. Now go ahead and click on random prompt, or if you want to give a specific prompt, you can click on prompt and then you can start writing whatever you want and load it until you like the thing you see, and you can choose the style as well. Go ahead and choose the style. There are a lot of styles to choose from, so choose according to your wish, and then you can click generate. It will take 1 credit, so make sure you have credit left. So your creation is line for processing, it is in queue. Wait for a while, and in a while you can see that you will successfully generate art using Starry AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.